The Hubble's Law Interactive Calculator solves for astronomical distances and velocities based on the expansion of the universe. Let's start with the Calculation Mode drop-down menu. You can select Calculate Recessional Velocity, Calculate Distance to Galaxy, Calculate Hubble Constant, Calculate Redshift, Calculate Proper Distance, or Calculate Lookback Time. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Recessional Velocity. The input fields are Hubble constant h0 in kilometers per second per megaparsec, distance d in megaparsecs, recessional velocity v in kilometers per second, redshift z, ohm for matter density, and OL for dark energy density. Here's our worked example. I'll enter Hubble constant h0 equals 70, distance d equals 150 megaparsecs, recessional velocity v equals 2500 kilometers per second, redshift z equals 0.035, ohm equals 0.3, and OL equals 0.7. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 10,500.0 kilometers per second, which is the recessional velocity of the galaxy at our specified distance. The secondary result displays z approximately 0.035024, giving us the calculated redshift value based on our inputs. This tool helps you quickly verify cosmological calculations for your research or projects. Find the link in the description below.